Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Hello geniuses. Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you a shortcut of dividing any number by 5. As you know, I keep bringing these shortcuts to you time and again, right? And this time I decided that this is, one of my students asked me a question, sir, is there a shortcut to divide any number with a 5? I said, well, there is, but for that you need to at least know how to multiply by 2. Now, that's confusing, right? But that's easy at the same time. Follow along, all right? So, the first number, 10. Now the rule is, to divide any number by 5, you double the number and place one decimal point. Flat, easy rule. Any number. Just assume a number, double it, put one decimal point. That's a divided by 5 answer to that. Let me show you. What is the double of 10? 20, right? So you write the double of 10 and you just place one decimal point. 2 is when you divide 10 by 5. Cool, right? Let's try again. 16. What is the double of 16? 32. To have it divided by 5, just place a decimal here. So it will be 3.2. You can divide it in your calculator and check. Okay? The same. Double of 18, guys. Come on. 36. So divided by 5, 3.6. Double of 54. Can someone tell me what will be the double of 54? I'm sure you guessed it right. It's 108. And because we have to find the divided by 5, I just place a decimal point here. Yeah? Okay? Do you want to try the next two yourself? Pause the video and try it. Well, I'm sure you got the answer right, but as per the flow of the video, let's try and do it together. Can someone quickly say the double of 36 to me in their minds and I will hear it? I think you said 72, right? I heard it. 72. Just place a decimal point here. 36 divided by 5 is 7.2. And the same for 46. When 36 is 72, 46 will be 82. Think about it. No, it will be 92. Right? So 92 and 46 divided by 5 is 9.2. How cool, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.